Old MacDonald had a farm with cows, chickens, horses, sheep, and even goats. When caring for his animals, Old MacDonald always kept safety in mind. You should also keep safety in mind. Try following these easy tips. Animals like to see you when you approach, so always walk up to them from the front. Try not to make any loud noises or fast movements when around them. And never enter the pen unless you have permission from the animal's owner. Remember to always follow the instructions from the farmer. And don't forget to wear the right shoes. Cover those toes to protect your feet from an animal's hoof. One last tip, always wash your hands after petting those cows, horses, sheep, and goats. So whether you're visiting Old MacDonald or the local petting zoo, make sure to always keep safety in mind when around animals.